Greetings from Daytona Vintage. Today we're going to demonstrate a Kodak Carousel 4600 slide projector, 35mm slide projector, Kodak 4600. There's our fan setting, and there's a low light setting and a highlight setting. I'm going to put it on low light setting. We'll go to our first slide. And there you go on the first slide. Machine does make a little noise, I'm sure you can hear that. As most all the old carousel projectors do. And there's that second slide. And we'll go to our third slide. Number 4. And for the finale, Star Wars, Jabba Says Hi. Jabba Says Hi from Daytona Vintage. Kodak Carousel 4600 demo. And we'll just go back on the slides till we get back to the start. And there you have it.